Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to enable purchase orders and custom fields in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or just want to make the most of its features, turning on purchase orders can streamline your business by helping you manage orders, track goods, and keep your supply orders organized. Let's dive in. First, head over to QuickBooks Online and click the sign-in option to access your account. Choose QuickBooks Online if needed, then enter your login credentials carefully and hit Continue to get to your dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate to your account settings by moving your cursor to the upper right corner and clicking on the gear icon. This opens the settings menu where you can customize different aspects of your account. For this task, go to Account and Settings and click on that option. Now focus on enabling the features we need. On the left side of the screen, select the Expenses tab. This brings up a page where you can manage expense-related settings, including purchase orders. Look for the Purchase Orders section and turn on the feature by clicking the toggle switch or checkbox next to Use Purchase Orders. After turning it on, don't forget to save your changes by clicking the Save button at the bottom of the page. This ensures all your settings are applied and ready to go. With purchase orders enabled, QuickBooks will now let you manage them efficiently, making your buying process smoother and keeping your records organized. Remember, having accurate records is key to running a successful business, so explore other settings and customize them to fit your needs. Thanks for watching. And do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials to help you get the most out of QuickBooks Online.